Jackie, would you please go on the Shut up, idiot.
Oh!
What did you order? Number 10. Big Mac. Extra fries. Extra smoky. Yum, yum, yum. It is negative 10 degrees outside with the wind chill. You don't want to roll your window down any more than I want to get out of this car and get cold. So please, slow down. Having too much fun. Thank you all for coming home. We're almost there. Almost at the end. I wanted this to be a 2-minute parade. Kids couldn't keep up. Hey, Lake.
Good morning. Good morning.
Blinky, blinky means stop moving. Blinky, blinky means stop moving. Put car in park. Park means 6 foot off brake. Is that a few, bro? Bro, you need to say it. An order car number 15.
Damn.
I have a right to go to bed. Now please go home. Please go to bed. Please move to the sidewalk. Cars coming in and you gotta get swift. Bye.